In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit name in Canva. If you need to update a name on a business card, fix a typo on a certificate, or customize a template without ruining the layout, Canva makes the process much easier than many people expect. The key is knowing exactly where to click so you can change the text without accidentally moving other design elements around. To get started, open Canva and go to your dashboard. From there, look through your recent designs or click into the projects section on the left-hand side. Find the design that contains the name you want to edit, then open it so it loads into the main editing workspace. This brings you into the live design view where you can make changes directly. Once the design is open, take a moment to identify the exact text area you want to change. Try not to click randomly on the canvas because it's easy to select a shape, image, or decorative element by mistake. Instead, move your cursor carefully over the name text box and click it once. When it's selected, you'll see a colored outline appear around the text frame. That outline confirms that the text element is active and ready to be edited. Next, double-click inside that text box. This places your text cursor inside the name so you can make precise edits. If you only need to correct part of the text, such as a spelling mistake, click where you want the cursor to go and edit just those letters. If you want to replace the entire name, drag across the existing text to highlight it, then type the new name. Keeping the replacement text reasonably concise will help preserve the spacing and overall structure of the design. After entering the new name, you may want to adjust the appearance so everything still looks polished and consistent. At the top of the screen, Canva displays formatting controls for the selected text. Highlight the name and use those tools to change the font, tweak the size, adjust the color, or refine the letter spacing. This is especially useful if the new name is longer or shorter than the original and needs a bit of visual balancing. Finally, review the placement of the updated text. Click on the text box and move it slightly if needed while watching for Canva's alignment guides to appear on screen. These guides help you center the name and keep everything lined up neatly with the rest of the design. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. Canva saves your work automatically in the background, and if needed, you can use the share option in the top right corner to download your finished design. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.